Today we're looking at part number Q-10-14K-PCAP. The Kodiak oil cap with O-ring and plug works with the Kodiak disc brake axles, and it's also the same as a 12-0-1, a Rockwell American oil cap. So this Kodiak cap will actually also work with the 12,000 pound and 16,000 pound Rockwell American electric brake axles, or hydraulic drum brake axles, or hydraulic disc, which would be Kodiak. So whenever you can't find those Rockwell American caps because they're getting harder and harder to find since Dexter bought them out, not many people are stocking them anymore, you can always go to this Kodiak cap if you can find this easier. They're about the same price, but it's really good knowledge to know that you can also interchange this Kodiak cap with the Rockwell American cap if needed. The torque on it is 20 to 30 pounds, and it is 3 3/4 wide, and you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just simply stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.